Item number 9. With
Milord,
connected cases, Sri R.S. Thakur.
Milord, in this
Sri Gaurav
petition,
Ivan.
Milord,
Yes.
this matter related to the recruitment of primary teacher. All these candidates belong to the OBC category. Milord, they have participated the entire selection process, Milord. But appointment order has not been
Not
issued in their favor without assigning any reason in writing.
what is difficulty?
Milord, they have filed the reply. We kindly see. What's the one? 9.4, Milord. 9.4.
Reply is also there in 9.1 also. Lord, may I just point out a thing, my lord?
Yes, but
Lord, the office, my lord, has appears to have been wrongly classified the matter, my lord. It's been classified as ultra virus cases, my lord. It's a simple service matter, my lord. And there is no validity of any provision under challenge, my lord. Lord, we have filed reply in 9.1 and we have filed reply in 9.4, my lord. The prayer is same in all the matters, my lord. Lord, they are, my lord, substantially, my lord, aggrieved by the action, my lord. They are alleging that without any justifiable cause or reason, the appointment orders are not being issued, my lord. Now, my lord, we have filed reply stating the reasons, my lord, that the merit list, my lord, the appointment orders are issued only to the extent of 87%, my lord. And 13% of the OBC and 13% of the unreserved are kept on hold, my lord, because that OBC reservation issue, my lord, is pending and there is an interim order, my lord.
but listen, this petition to be posted before the single judge.
No, Milord.
That is
This-
there, my lord. The honorable single judge on the last date, I don't know why, my lord, he has directed the registry to examine.
No, my
And-
friend is not aware, Milord. The already administrative order, Milord. All the matter related to OBC reservation will be listed before the honorable TV.
There is a.
Yes, this is the administrative
Maybe
order.
because of that.
2020 का
Okay,
आदेश।
this is one. Acha, why this appointment?
My lord, may I just point out, my lord, initially what had happened, my lord, in the year 2019, my lord, the state government, my lord, enforced the reservation to the OBC, my lord, enhancing it from 14 to 27%, my lord.
Right.
Initially, it was by way of circular, my lord. Subsequently, the act was also amended. So initially, my lord, that circular was challenged.
Well, they agreed to 14% and
The honorable court, my lord, has.
be kept pending.
My lord. So these are the 13 of the OBC, my lord, and 13 of the unreserved, my lord, we have kept pending on hold, my lord, subject to the verdict to be passed by the Honorable Supreme Court, my lord. As soon as, my lord, the issue is decided, my lord, the appointment orders in respect of either of the, my lord, will be issued. That is, our sum and substance are returned, my lord.
Right.
And, my lord, one more thing is there, my lord, that this circular was issued by the GAD, my lord, since a stalemate was created. There was an interim orders and the state was not in a position to issue appointment orders, my lord. So GAD, my lord, issued a circular, my lord, devising a mechanism that, all right, at present, since there are court orders in various matters, my lord, so appointment orders in respect of OBC only to the extent of 14% may be issued. And in this manner, my lord, we have, my lord, the GAD has taken a decision that we will issue the appointment orders from the merit list only to the extent of 87%. 13% of the OBC and 13% of the unreserved will keep on hold, my lord.
Right.
Now, my lord, that circular was challenged before this honorable court, my lord. And the challenge to the circular was repelled by this honorable court division bench, stating that this action of the state cannot be said to be arbitrary or in contravention to the Indra Sahni judgment, because in order to
But finally that to be decided by the Supreme Court.
So, my lord, as of date, my friend is aggrieved, my lord, of the action, my lord, saying that without any reason, the person, though they have been found selected, they have been called for document verification, but the appointment orders are not issued, my lord.
For this reason, that's all.
So, my lord, that is our
Milord,
submission.
my friend is completely misleaded before this honorable court. He is not aware, Milord. The circular issued by the GAD on the basis of opinion of the Advocate General, Milord.
No.
And Milord, on the basis of opinion of the Advocate
No,
General.
whatever it is now,
Yes, Milord.
opinion, if given Advocate General or anyone, being a law officer,
Milord.
if something is issued, thinking that this opinion is correct, the
No.
opinion, on the basis of opinion, the any guidelines or communication can be issued, there is no bar, one. Second is, this is regarding 27% of the OBC reservation. Right, this issue has reached to the Supreme Court, and the state government has taken the decision only 14% to continue and 13% to put on hold. And as stated by him, is 30, your case comes under 30%, and they are already kept pending. That will be subject to the outcome of the Supreme Court. What is wrong in that?
He is completely wrong with that.
Yes.
There is no any interim order passed by the Honorable Apex Court in respect to the FILA 87 and kept 13% OBC and
Supreme Court has not passed the order, what is to be done or not. But question is the state government itself has taken a decision कि अभी 14% का करो, 13% होल्ड पे रखो जब तक कि होगा. शायद this matter was came before.
नहीं मिलोट, there is an order मिलोट. My friend is right in saying कि teachers की भर्ती में ऐसा कोई order नहीं है. But मिलोट, the circular of the GAD, मिलोट, what had happened initially, the Advocate General मिलोट office gave an opinion that in the matter of
ये क्वेश्चन ये नहीं है कोई टीचर्स की भर्ती है या पटवारी की भर्ती.
that's what we are saying. Not that's a policy matter. मिलोट,
सर और हमारा निवेदन सर ये है कि लेजिस्लेशन जो बनाया हुआ है, लेजिस्लेशन कहीं स्टे नहीं है. ऑनरेबल अपेक्स कोर्ट इज स्पेसिफिक हेड इन द केस ऑफ मिलट भावेश डी पारिस एंड अदर्स वर्सेस यूनियन ऑफ इंडिया एंड देसिया मुर्कू पप्पू वर्सेस इलेक्शन कमीशन एंड Health for Melons versus Union of India. All the judgment quoted may kindly see Milord at page number 9, 10 Milord.
ये order जो आपने
Milord,
दिया
the legislation cannot be stated by any court without deciding the validity. But the 27% reservation of held.
No, you are right to that extent also. But listen, this order which you have submitted, this is order dated is 19th March 2019.
Yes, Milord.
What it says?
This matter.
Last paragraph.
Yes,
Accordingly, after hearing the counsel, it is directed that it shall be open to the Public Service Commission to go ahead with their selection process. However, same shall not be finalized and no appointment shall be made without prior permission of this.
Yes, Milord. This order modified on 13/7. Next paragraph 5.
13/7 years.
The state himself given the affidavit. I want to implement only 14%.
14 years.
Yes, Milord. State himself given affidavit.
Right.
That IA has considered why modification this order, Milord, may kindly see. Page number 5, Milord.
Yes.
स्टेट अपने स्वयं के कानून को लागू करना नहीं चाहता.
नहीं ऐसा
नहीं
नहीं.
पूरा सिस्टम ओबीसी के खिलाफ काम कर रहा है सर. 2-2, 3-3 ये लोग यहाँ पे काउंसलिंग कर रहे हैं क्योंकि ओबीसी को डिप्राइव किया जा सके. मेरिट
This is all beyond the brief, my lord. He cannot make submissions, my lord.
मिलॉर्ड, जो ओबीसी के मेरिटोरियस कैंडिडेट हैं, आप 2-2, 3-3 बार काउंसलिंग करेंगे, मेरिट बनाएंगे. पहले आपने 100 लोगों की मेरिट लिस्ट बनाई, फिर 200 लोगों की मेरिट लिस्ट बनाएंगे. 2-2, 3-3 बार काउंसलिंग कर रहे हैं. एक बार में काउंसलिंग कर रहे हैं. जो मेरिटोरियस ओबीसी के कैंडिडेट हैं वो यूआर में माइग्रेट कर जाएंगे. जो लेस मेरिटोरियस है वो कैटेगरी में सिलेक्ट हो जाएंगे. और नंबर ऑफ लेस मेरिटोरियस विद द ओबीसी कैंडिडेट हैज बीन सिलेक्टेड. दे आर नॉट सिलेक्टेड अगेंस्ट द यूआर कैटेगरी में. ये पूरी प्रक्रिया
रिगार्डिंग दैट इशू वी हैव ऑलरेडी पास द ऑर्डर. ये जो जिनके कट ऑफ मार्क्स ज्यादा है
जी
अनरिजर्व कैंडिडेट से
जी
ओबीसी या किसी कैटेगरी दे विल बी कंसीडर्ड इन दैट.
नहीं
Milord,
मतलब यही है,
by
तो लॉ है.
all this.
order is already there. There is no issue in that.
Yes, Milord.
The issue is regarding only 27% and 14%.
Milord, I have submitted the list along with my rejoinder may kindly see. I have submitted the list. Number of candidate appointed, Milord, in their category and less meritorious candidate belong to your category. They are,
But that issue we have already decided.
yes.
Recently judgment is given.
तो सर मेरा
And
निवेदन है कि
even before that, that order is passed rather by Justice Sudhir Chowdhury
yes, Milord.
based upon the Supreme Court.
Yes, Milord.
वो क्या करनी
कुर्मी वाला.
कुर्मी
फिर भी
Lord, that is on a different point.
मध्य प्रदेश order is-
नहीं, this judgment, Milord, the Indira Sahni judgment para 811 specific said all the candidate belong to reserve category. If they are secure more marks, they shall not counted against their category. They shall be selected in open category.
Right.
But इन्होंने बीच का तोड़ निकाल दिया कि नहीं हम प्री में नहीं देंगे, मेंस में नहीं देंगे.
नहीं ये तो
नहीं,
स्कूल
नहीं,
नहीं
मैं
नहीं
बता रहा हूं,
आप थोड़ा
conduct
ब्रीफ पे रहिए,
state
ब्रीफ
का
पे
conduct
रहिए
बता
आप.
रहा हूं.
नहीं स्टेट का कंडक्ट आप ब्रीफ पे रह के बताइए.
प्री वाला जो है वो भी हमने डिसाइड कर दिया.
नहीं ये टीचर में कुछ प्री और मेंस है ही नहीं सर.
नहीं, टीचर में भी इन्होंने दूसरी बार प्री मेंस कर दिया.
That is also recently decided.
यस,
तो उसमें कोई इशू नहीं है.
नहीं
जहां तक ये है ये 14% और 27% का इशू है and you comes under 13% बस दे से and that will be out subject to the outcome of the
27% ओबीसी का रिजर्वेशन ऑनरेबल अपेक्स कोर्ट ने 9 जजेस बेंच ने एफर्म किया है कि ओबीसी की पॉपुलेशन 52.8% है, इनको फिलहाल 27% रिजर्वेशन दिया जाए। मध्य प्रदेश सरकार देश का पहला स्टेट था कि इन्होंने 27 ना देके 14% दिया। इसमें जब हमने पिटीशन फाइल की ऑनरेबल सुप्रीम कोर्ट में, जिसका WP है 345/2014, उसमें जब नोटिस हुए तो जो तत्कालीन सरकार थी, जो संगठन थे, उन्होंने सरकार से बात करके और उसको 27% विधानसभा से विधिवत कानून पास हुआ। इसके पहले 6/3/2003 को भी कानून बनाया था इन्होंने, लेकिन वो सेटिसाइड कर दिया था ऑनरेबल सिंगल बेंच ने। द्वारा विधानसभा से पारित हुआ कानून। और जो पहली पिटीशन इसमें आई थी ऑर्डिनेंस के खिलाफ, सर, ये केवल नीट से थी। नीट में जो रिजर्वेशन है वो 15/6 का है, और 15/6
स्टेट गवर्नमेंट स्पेशली आपका लेजिस्लेशन 27%. How can you stop that by the?
There are various interim orders, my lord. My friend is defending the state in the matter of 27% reservation, my lord. The state is not opposed to that.
Just that regarding 27%.
My lord, there are series of orders.
Some, but just listen first. 27% reservation. Who challenged that?
My lord, the unreserved category persons have challenged, my lord.
Right.
State is defending that, my lord. State says that we should maintain 27%, my lord. My friend has been engaged as a special counsel by the state to defend OBC, looking to his expertise, my lord. He is representing state on those matters, my lord. But yet, my lord, there are in number of cases, there are interim orders wherein the honorable court has restrained the state from making appointment beyond 14% till the petition is decided. Now, my friend has come up with the case that in the school education department, there is no such order, my lord. My lord, the policy is there, my lord, the legislation is already under challenge. So we have, my lord, it is not, my lord, in case we proceed with what my friend is saying, my lord, we will end up in a contempt proceedings, my lord. So the propriety demands, my lord, that the
Already passed in the different.
so that's we are not against them, my lord. My friend should understand, my lord, that we are not against. It's our legislation. We are there to defend it. But because of the court intervention, my lord, we are unable to, my lord. And therefore, to mitigate the hardships of the selected candidates, my lord, we have devised this formula कि चलो 87 को तो नौकरी दो, 17 जो है अब वो जब petition decide होगी तब देखेंगे. So we, my lord, not opposed against 27.
जब ये अनरिजर्व कैंडिडेट से जब चैलेंज किया है, तो उस चैलेंज में जो डीबी का ऑर्डर क्या था?
सर इनिशियली ये मेडिकल एजुकेशन डिपार्टमेंट का हुआ था, तो ऑर्डिनेंस चैलेंज हुआ था, तो ऑर्डिनेंस ही स्टे हो गया था.
राइट.
उसके बाद सर एडवोकेट जनरल ऑफिस ने एक ओपिनियन दिया था कि जो स्टे है दैट इज ओनली रेस्ट्रिक्टेड टू medical education or the appointment of the doctors. In rest of the cases, the state is free to proceed with 27%.
Right.
Lord, on the strength of that, a circular was issued by the GAD informing all departments to proceed with the 27%, my lord. That circular came to be challenged in a PIL, my lord.
Right.
And in that PIL, that circular is stayed, my lord.
State.
PIL फाइल हुई पॉलिटिकल पार्टी,
नहीं, अब मैं उसके लिए क्या
पॉलिटिकल पार्टी।
पर जो भी तो कोर्ट ने पास किया ना ऑर्डर, किसी ने फाइल किया पॉलिटिकल नॉन पॉलिटिकल.
So, my lord, that
Advocacy तो लिखा
we
जाएगा,
took a decision, my lord, to extend this benefit.
क्योंकि कोई भी ओबीसी SC ST का यदि कैंडिडेट आता है तो कोर्ट पहले बोलती है कि हाउ मेनी पर्सन अफेक्टेड, व्हाई यू नॉट मेड द पार्टी, और सम ऑफ द पर्सन बिलोंग टू अनरिजर्व कैटेगरी फाइल द पिटीशन. कोर्ट हैज नेवर क्वेरी banned back passed the order 4/8/2023 without defending properly by state.
No, my lord, he is defending the
State-
state, my lord. He
no,
cannot.
no.
His name is there as a counsel, my lord, in that order.
But I have not argued this matter, my lord, and I have not provided the opportunity to argue
Lord, you
this
should
matter.
stick to the
यदि
brief, my
हमको
lord. My
opportunity
respective
देती तो
submission.
बेहतर यहीं सुलझ जाते सभी. सुप्रीम कोर्ट जाने की इनको जरूरत भी नहीं थी, लेकिन कभी मौका नहीं दिया, हमको आर्ग्यू नहीं करने दिया, भले स्पेशल काउंसिल स्टेट की तरफ से, और केवल फ्यूचर बर्बाद करने के हिसाब से इन्होंने वहां पे ट्रांसफर करा दिए. लाखों बच्चे रोड पे घूम रहे हैं, सुसाइड कर रहे हैं रोज. उनका कोई फ्यूचर नहीं है. पीएससी में 33,000 बच्चे के लिए होल्ड करके रखे इन्होंने. विभिन्न भर्तियों में मिला के लगभग 90,000 बच्चे हैं जो अफेक्टेड है. और लेजिस्लेशन अंडर चैलेंज है, स्टे नहीं है, फिर भी क्योंकि वो दूसरी पार्टी ने लागू किया था, अब दूसरी पार्टी है.
My friend
No,
should stick
this is
to
the
the
actual
brief,
fact,
my lord. I am objecting to
Well,
the submissions.
fact-
Just which year this was implemented?
इम्प्लीमेंटेड बाय कांग्रेस गवर्नमेंट. मार्च 2020 में बीजेपी आ गई. बीजेपी गवर्नमेंट ने उसको इम्प्लीमेंट नहीं किया क्योंकि नाम होगा
नहीं, नहीं.
कांग्रेस का.
बताइए, स्टे भी कांग्रेस में ही हो गया था.
No, I himself made CM Millard.
If that is the position, It means this issue not even supported by the BC people. That's why other party has come.
मिलन हमारा निवेदन
अरे,
है कि ऑनरेबल
इसको
सुप्रीम कोर्ट ने लॉ लेट डाउन किया।
सुप्रीम कोर्ट में कब पेंडिंग है?
Lord, अभी कोई my friend will apprise on
सुप्रीम कोर्ट में कब पेंडिंग है?
सुप्रीम कोर्ट में सर वो केस कभी ना ये लोग प्रयास कर रहे हैं लिस्टेड करने के लिए, कुछ नहीं कर रहे हैं,
तो आप
क्योंकि
as
पिटीशन
a-
पड़ी हुई है।
तो ये नहीं कर रहे तो आप as a-
ओआईसी को मैं 10
No
बार
aggrieved intervener they can approach.
इंटरव्यू फाइल की है सर हमने, और जो ओआईसी इन्होंने अपॉइंट करके रखा है कभी फोन भी नहीं उठाते। मैं कम से कम 50 बार फोन कर चुका हूँ।
नहीं, आपको उसको इंटरव्यूनर के लिए आपको उसकी जरूरत पड़ेगी, एडवोकेट रिपोर्ट की। कौन है?
उसमें सर अभी हमने एंगेज किया है एडवोकेट ऑन रिकॉर्ड।
तो आप अदरवाइज भी कर सकते हैं, जरूर थोड़ी है इनके थ्रू जाएंगे गवर्नमेंट वाले के थ्रू।
सर यही आप ऑर्डर
ये-
शीटर देख लें
ये
सर,
प्रोसीजर भी हमें बताना पड़ेगा।
72 सुनवाई हुई है 5901 में, हर टाइम स्टेट ने टाइम लिया है सर। ऑनरेबल तुषार मेहता जी को एंगेज किया, फिर भी टाइम लिया सर। तो मेरा निवेदन सर ये है कि ये पिटीशन, सर निवेदन मेरा ये था कि पिटीशन डिस्पोज ऑफ कर दी जाए डायरेक्शन के साथ,
क्या?
एज पर रिजर्वेशन जो सेक्शन 44 है उसके तहत मेरिट लिस्ट बना के और अपॉइंटमेंट ऑर्डर जारी किए जाए सर।
वो नहीं, अभी जरूर वेट करो।
Problem.
List of the four.
तो इसको सर फिर WP जो 18105 2021 है उससे लिंक करके सर नेक्स्ट वीक लगाना है इसको।
कौन सी है?
WP
10
18105 2021
उसके साथ टैग ही है।
उसको सर इसके साथ, क्योंकि उसी के आधार पर वो बता रहा है कि हमने उसमें जो अंतरिम आदेश पारित हुआ है उसके कारण इनको होल्ड किया है।
इसमें लिख दो लिस्ट विद WP 18105 2020।
इसको सर हालांकि उसमें डेट नेक्स्ट वीक की दी थी,
और फिर उसमें सिंपली डेट मत दो, लिस्ट द लोगों, व्हेनेवर दैट विल कम इट विल बी लिस्ट।
ओवरलाइन।